Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to remove watermarks legally. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So removing watermark legally requires obtaining proper authorization from the copyright owner, typically by purchasing a license to receive the original unmarked file or using images you have created and watermarked yourself. So, other legal methods include requesting a permission directly from the creator by utilizing the content that is explicitly licensed for modification. So if you're going to mail them or if you're going to ask them properly, that if you can simply take their videos and give you the original format of it, you can simply remove watermarks legally. You can also just tell them and that you are interested to purchase the license, which is the most legal and secure method for paying the high resolution watermark free version. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.